Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW Z4 M40i, an Alpine White with the manual transmission. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW Z4 M40i, an Alpine White. It comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. So after Toyota went ahead and put a manual transmission in their Supra, they made their own manual transmission. And you know, the new 400Z came out, that had a manual. So you know what, we came out with a manual edition, and apparently it is one of the nicest feeling shifters in our lineup right now as compared to M2, M3, M4. And since putting out the manual, it has increased our sales significantly on the Z4, so we're continuing to offer it. So you know what, let's go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. So we got the classic Alpine White. This color's been in BMW forever. It is a no-charge paint that is available pretty well on every single model. I've noticed, except for the new 540 that's coming out. But we have some nice lines coming lengthwise down the hood. BMW design language always usually has 4 lines. Rondelle up front and center. We've got the high gloss black kidney grille, everything blacked out, even these little honeycomb shapes. And down at the bottom, functional air ducts, everything blacked out. Front end of the car looks really good. Who doesn't like a Roadster? And when we take a closer look at the headlights, we do have the BMW LED headlights here. So we've got, let's get them on here. So we've got the little L over there, another one over here. So front end, lights on, looks really good. Let's get the pathway lighting on. So that's the full low beam system. That looks good. And inside of the headlight itself, we have all of those little intricate details and lines to reflect. So that looks good. Overall, I love the Z4. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front and the 20-inch rear double spoke 800M wheels in jet black burnish. And we do have the red M Sport brake there as well. So a really cool wheel design here, and staggered. So the rear has a 20-inch setup with a slightly more concave wheel. I like that wheel design, looks pretty good. Now on the actual fender, we do have an M badge, and we've got this little design element. There's no actual air coming through here, but that's how it looks. And there's a line that comes from the hood, cuts all the way through the door and right into the tail light, which looks so cool. And of course, this being the convertible, we have a black top. We also have black mirrors here with integrated turn signal. And overall, I really like the side profile. So when we come to the back here, you'll see that we have L-shaped taillights. These tail lights look a lot like the shape of the 8 Series tail lights, and the tailgate itself does have a built-in duckbill, which looks awesome. And take a look down here. So we've got the vertical reflectors on each side. We have the freeform exhaust on each side as well, with the diffuser in the middle, and we have the new badging Z4 in black with a silver lining, same as the M40i there. So since we're back here, I just want to go ahead and press the tailgate button on the key, and there's also a micro switch underneath here right beside the rear view camera. So once I lift this up, inside you'll see that we have some carpeted mats. There's a pass-through through the center. We also have a little area on this side where you can find wheel lock key, tow hook, tire inflator, and the fuse boxes there. And this side we have a little netted area with a plastic storage bin. So once we are done looking in here, there is a handle underneath here, so you can grab that and you can close this without touching the exterior of the vehicle. Now on the passenger side, we have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put it, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click to shut it. Now before we get into the car, I've got the key with me, so I'm just going to press and hold the unlock button. So first we're going to see the windows come down, and then we'll see the convertible top operation happening. So the top can be operated in motion. It speeds up to 35 kilometers an hour. So that way you don't have to get out of line to put your top up or down if it starts raining. And with the top down, a lot of cars will sacrifice trunk space. Not the Z4. It's exactly the same space in here, top up or down, which is awesome. So you don't have to worry about what you're carrying and whether or not that means you can put the top up or down. Now both door handles have touch comfort access. So once I open that up, you'll see in here we've got Harman Kardon sound system, nice stitching across the door panel, memory seats for both driver and passenger, window switch, little storage compartment down there, ambient light, and there's your speaker, aluminum M40i door sill, there's your winter accessory mat with a little storage net over there, and here we've got some vents. Nice stitching going across the dash. We have iDrive 7, and let's have a look at the nice seats in here with the under the thigh extension, and we've got full power, so side bolster, lumbar, back of the seat, bottom of the seat, M color seat belts, got a little magnetic seat belt stirrup as well, little hole in the headrest, and we've got a little bit of wind deflector here. Now if I go ahead and just take a look back here, so we've got a whole bunch of speakers to maximize your Harman Kardon sound, a little netted area, and this is what the back side of the passenger looks like. So that's pretty handy. And down here we have your glove box, and we have physical climate controls. There's a little Z4 thing here, and if I open that up, so inside of there is your wireless charger, 12 volt plug, USB type A. We have the beautiful manual transmission with the shift boot there with some stitching. We have park assist view, we have traction off, start, comfort, sport, eco pro, electronic parking brake, traction reduce, iDrive controller, convertible top operation. This one doesn't have air scarves. And if I press this button here, yes, you can have beverages in the Z4, not many though. And there's a USB type C in there as well. So now that we've had a look at all this, let's go to the driver's side next. So let me just shut this door. Beauty. Look how cool this car looks with the top down. I love it. So if we approach from the driver's side, open that up. So we've got same thing that we saw in the passenger door, but this has both window controls and the side mirror controls. And there's a little spot down there for tailgate release on the driver door. So slightly different. Again, the M40i door sill. Another look at those beautiful seats. And inside of here, there's your steering wheel with the M at 6 o'clock. And nice airbag cover. We have the head-up display here as well. Just gonna grab a seat in here quickly. So once I shut the door, I just wanted to show you this. So yes, obviously manual has a clutch. So if I just lift that up a bit, clutch pedal is down there. So I just wanted to show you, let me just adjust my camera a little bit. So just wanted to show you down there, there is a good heel toe space. So if you're on track, and the shifter action in here, so a lot of people describe our shifter as being rubbery. It's a little bit rubbery, but this one is a bit stiffer than what I've felt in M2, M3, M4. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and there's a lockout here for reverse. So if you're moving, you won't be able to get that into reverse. Shifter action feels great. I really like this. And also just wanted to show you this. So we do have the automatic rev match, but because we typically don't have a manual transmission in iDrive 7, if you go to configure individual, You can actually turn off the automatic rev match if you don't want it there. So that is pretty sweet. You can do all that. And because we have iDrive 7, we have this view here. It does have the automatic back park and parallel park. The backup assistant also has a memory of how you went forward for 50 meters and goes backwards exactly the same way. So that's pretty sweet. And we do also have the garage door opener here as well, and some lights up here, SOS button, and we have a little visor, light opens with that, and these are little microphones on each side. Oh, they put a little microphone picture. There used to be like a little hole there only. So that's pretty cool. And just like how we put the top down with the key can also go up the same way, so that's also very handy. So now that we've had a look at all this stuff inside of here, I'm just going to open the door over here. And when I come out, so down here, I just wanted you to see, we do have the hood release. It's 2 times, 1, 2, and Z4 still has a little storage compartment here. So once we get to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin-power turbo. We have 382 horsepower, 369 foot-pounds of torque, no mild hybrid on this model. Positive battery terminal is here, negative battery terminal way over here, washer fluid down here. So a slightly different layout than what we've seen in many of our B58 powered cars. We've also got the 2 braces under here as well. And BMWs do have 2 latches under the hood, so in order to close the hood, you just want to bring the hood about halfway and literally just center down, just like that. Okay, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. You can get a couple more long range angles this way, better side profile shot as well. I love the size of this car. There's not so many vehicles that are small anymore, but I love that this one kind of retains that form factor. Back end looks really good. And this is a dying breed, especially with the manual transmission. And guess what? This car is available for immediate delivery, so if you are interested in it, please don't hesitate to give me a call. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW Z4 M40i in Alpine White with the black interior and the manual transmission. What do you guys think of that? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.